How do you explain all that we do at Kinsley Construction? Here's what you need to know. Since 1963, we've been the ones to get up early, work hard, and make big things happen. We started as a concrete subcontractor, and today we're a nationally recognized construction company with 4 divisions. But at our core, not much has changed. We're still one team, ready to take on any project, no matter the size or scope. Every job starts on the ground, and our civil division lays the groundwork. Literally, from earthwork and utilities to bridges and roadways, we handle everything above, below, and across the surface to ensure a strong foundation for what comes next. We do way more than just move dirt, though. Our building division turns your vision into reality. Whether it's a new facility, an expansion, or a full-scale renovation, we guide the process from start to finish as your self-performing design builder, general contractor, or construction manager. Construction isn't just about the buildings. It's about keeping industries moving. Our industrial division specializes in the work that supports the backbone of American manufacturing. If you need it moved, installed, or fabricated to keep your operations running, we're on it. And when it comes to construction materials, Kinsley Materials has contractors across the region covered. Rebar, ready-mix concrete, organics, and more. You need it, we'll get it to you. So we've grown a lot over the last 60 years, but one thing stays the same. We're still one Kinsley. No shortcuts, no excuses, just hard work, grit, and a commitment to getting the job done and done right. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about what we build, it's about who we build it for. It's about the people who put their trust in us and the team that shows up day in and day out to make it happen. That's what Kinsley Construction is all about.